Nang palalagay with it. Ampong.
Kita ko magic sarap. Paminta. Uning guru kundi na ni spices uning iluluya na pangan.
What do you usually put in it?
Tang cayenne pepper.
Oh.
Mga sarang ting mash.
Looks good.
Kung hindi ka kadanon.
Then smash.
Ulam niya pa yung danon na.
The water's so it's not dry. They don't sell magic syrup here, diba?
Ali, patang muli ko Pilipinas pa niya lida ko. Siguro next year ko muli.
The whole thing yang lalagyan mo. Sabi ng Auntie Joy, mas masanting ping ka ng MSG than salt.
Na?
Than MSG than salt ka,
Yeah,
no?
kasi yung pepakaide kay documentary ng Corina. Kasi fish yung kaibe. Fish yung MSG. Uning hindi din nandiyan something kai din tao. Sabi daw, kai, no? Ali, fish yung MSG. Yung gagawan de. Kakakit din mga nande gagawan. Sabi na ng documentary, mas masanting niya pa yung MSG can solve. Diyan yung soy sauce, yaman masanting. Mas masanting niya pa yung MSG. Hindi na may dito ka daw po konti niyan, te. Anything I cook, I put all-purpose seasoning ini. Anything I cook, maski nang luluto ko. Ditak mo. Palasa yan, ito yan. Diba? Garlic.
That's why may man garlic powder.
Oh, garlic.
That's why may man nalalasing corned beef. Yeah. Because usually if it's just plain corned beef, I don't like it.
That's it. Corned beef ka sugar. Okay? That's it. Pero paborito mo naman ito.
Ba?
Ditak mo sugar. Okay? That's it.
Kaya namin kanya kang YouTube yan, eh. Yes, I'm the cook. That's it, pusit.